Make YouTube short that can pay you back big time. Did you know that YouTube shorts can pay you big time? Interested? Don't worry, because in this video, I will show you the exact strategies creators use to earn hundreds and even thousands of dollars a day. I have seen a short channel from getting 5K views then blowing up to positive result. Important to note, however, that this is not some get-rich-quick scheme. But if you follow the steps in this video and apply it yourself, you can achieve real and consistent results. Even $100 a day is already life-changing, right? So before we start the video, make sure to stick around to learn how to make this happen for YouTube. And with that out of the way, let's dive in. YouTube short monetization potential, okay? Let's talk about something that is on everyone's mind right now, YouTube shorts. And I know what you might be thinking. Short does not make you any money, right? Well, let me stop you right there, because that is a completely and user myth. If you are still hold on to that idea, hear me out, because in this video, I will explain everything, well, sure, and a year later, yes, that may be true, but YouTube recently released a program that pays creators anywhere from 10 cents to 20 cents per 1,000 views. Sure, it does not sound like much on the surface, but because it's so much easier to get more views on shorts compared to regular YouTube videos. Those 10 cents to 20 cents you get add up real fast. Recently, I found a short channel launched just 3 weeks ago, and it's reportedly already generating around $3,000 a month. That's $3,000 monthly just posting just one short a day. There's no tricks here, just a focus on consistency and a smart uploading strategies, and if done correctly, it's a surefire way to earn on YouTube. Let's do a quick comparison on YouTube and on TikTok. On TikTok, they pay you for some videos, not all of them, some of them. Why? Because some does not qualify for monetization. It sure is frustrating if you think about it. But with YouTube, there's no guessing game. If you have got the right content, you are guaranteed to get paid for it. And I will be honest with you, there are creators out there making upward of $50,000 a month from shorts alone. And a few of them are even earning more than $100,000 in one day. If you follow the things I tell you in this video, hopefully that's going to be you too. Oh, before I forgot, if you ever, for example, have a vacation and can't upload for less a week, a short channel that has not posted anything in over a year can still earn you around $30 a day. See, even without new content, you are still able to earn money. This is the potential of starting a short channels. It can generate passive income too, and that truly makes a difference. Finding the right niche. Now, I know one of the biggest challenges when it comes to YouTube shorts is figuring out what niche to pick. To be honest, it can be feel a bit overwhelmed, especially when you're just getting started. But the truth is, it does not have to be complicated. I have been through the struggle myself, and I have learned that picking the right niche is a lot more intuitive than what other people making it seem. Let's start with what really working on YouTube short right now. I have seen two niches dominate the platform. The first is wholesome content, and the second, celebrity gossip. Let's break them down for you. Wholesome videos are trending right now. A new channel focused on heartwarming, feel-good content recently gained 100,000 subscribers in a short time and is reportedly generating $3,000 to $4,000 per month. The strategy is very simple. Find uploading videos and a personal touch with voiceovers and text caption, then post them consistently. This niche thrives because people love content that bring positivity and joy. Celebrity gossip is another highly effective niche in YouTube shorts. A channel focusing on popular figures like Mr. Beast, for example, grew to over 1 million subscribers in just 6 months. At its peak, generating over 120 million views a month. With consistent daily upload, that channel could earn anywhere from $12,000 monthly to $24,000 monthly. This niche thrives on the public natural interest with celebrities and the stories, making it an amazing opportunity for content creators. Now, you might be thinking, those niches sound great, but what if I want something more unique to upload? Well, that's completely possible too. I always tell people that it is as easy to take the phone, scroll through YouTube short, and find something something that's already working. Then take that idea, make it better, and make it your own by putting your own twist on it. This approach has been proven successfully multiple times. There is no harm in drawing inspiration from an idea and putting your own unique spin on it. Creativity is important, but you don't need to start from scratch. The key is creating content that connects with your audience. Finding a niche does not have to be hard, but it's also important not to box yourself in too early. Keep your eyes open to trend and new content ideas because they can spark something big. I always say stay flexible and be open to experimenting with new niches, especially when something catches your eye. If it works, great. If not, move on to the next idea. But the key is always stay consistent with what you put out there. Monetizing other people's content. Now here's the $1 million question. How do you monetize content that is not yours? I get it. It feels a little wrong at first, but like I said, as long as you make it your own by adding your own spin on it, you are in the clear. YouTube does not have an issue with you using other people's clips as long as you are putting your own spin on it. One example involves using AI tools to make the process of video creation much faster. By using those AI voices such as those from Quora and automate text caption, content production becomes faster and more efficient than ever before. Quora has also enabled automatic download from platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube while removing watermarks, saving a lot of time. A channel initial application for monetization might be rejected, but approval can be achieved through an appeal if the content meets YouTube standards. Again, simply re-uploading content is not enough. It needs to be transformed by adding elements like voiceovers, music, and context to create something unique. It is important to remember that YouTube values originality and enhancement, making it essential to provide clear value when repurposing material. Another important point to keep in mind is that as long as you are transforming the content and adding your unique spin, you can get approved for monetization. You can even take viral clips and improve them, whether that's by making them funnier, more informative, or simply more engaging for the viewers. As long as you are providing value, you are good to go. Don't be afraid to think outside the box when it comes to monetize content. There are plenty of opportunities if you are willing to put in the work. I know I have been saying adding your unique spin a lot, but that's because it's really important for you to learn. Inspiration does not mean copying it. If you simply just re-upload it or change it a little bit, like mirroring the video or raising the pitch just a bit, sure you might get in trouble with it. But if you are inspired by a video, adding onto the video, making it your own by putting in your own creativity, and improving on it by, let's say, doing it in a different style than the original, then you should be okay. How to go viral, okay? So let's say you have got a killer niche, right? A killer idea you are monetizing the right way, and you are ready to make a name for yourself. The question then becomes, how do you go viral? Going viral is not hard as people making it sound. It's hard, yes, but with the right strategy, it's not as hard as you think. If you want your shot to blow up, there are 3 key things you need to focus on: ideas, average view duration, or AVD, and swipe rate. First, let's talk about ideas. The best way to find viral ideas is to look at what's already working on other platforms. If a video has blown up on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, chances are it will do well on short too. For example, a clip of someone giving a child a haircut gained a lot of attention when they changed it for a short audience. This means that if a video is performing well elsewhere, it can be a sign that it can also be engaging content on a different platform. The second factor to consider is average view duration. This is basically how long people are watching your video, or in this case, your shorts. The longer the watch, the better. If your video holds people's attention, YouTube will push it out to more people. So how do you keep people's attention? First, you need a strong hook. Get to the point quickly and don't waste time with a boring intro. Grab people's attention immediately. Second, make sure your visuals are on point. Use things like arrows, circles, or even zoom in to direct people's attention to the most important part of the video. The better your visuals, the longer viewers will stay watching. Finally, let's talk about swipe rate. This is the percentage of people who swipe away from your video while they are scrolling through short. You want this to be as long as possible. If your video keep people interested, they don't swipe away. The goal is to have at least 85% of the people that see your video stay on your video. If you hit that mark, YouTube will keep pushing your video to more and more people, and that's when the views start to roll in. Another tips to help you increase your chances of going viral is experimenting with different video length. Some creators have success with super short videos like 15 seconds, while others do well with longer video up to 60 seconds. There is no one size fits all strategies here, so it's important to test out different lengths and see what works best for your audience. Staying consistent. Now here's the tough part. No one talks about it, but we have all been there. The 0 view jar you need to be feeling. You have posted a video and it's barely getting any traction. It's sitting at 50 views, maybe 100, or even worse. It can be discouraging, especially when you are putting in all of this effort into one video and not seeing result right away. But here's the thing, you have to continue on, keep uploading. If you are serious about building a YouTube short channel that can earn you a lot of money, it's important to stick with it, even when it feels like nothing happening. For example, the Kimberly Short channel did not experience immediate success right off the bat. In fact, it took them about 3 weeks to gain any real momentum. Initially, the channel struggled with getting views, often reaching just 5K, 10K or 20K views. However, by staying consistent, the channel grew and saw positive results. My rule is simple. Post once a day for 60 days. That's enough time to gather enough data to see if the channel is going to take off or not. Don't judge your success channel based on the first week or two. You have got to be in this long term. If your video are still struggling to gain traction, don't start posting more than once a day immediately. Instead, focus on improving your content first. Once you start seeing results, then you can ramp up your posting frequency. But early on, quality and consistency should be your main focus. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. I upload a video once to twice a week. So if you are interested in a new video, make sure to also ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. But if you are interested in more video, now click this video where I talk about the easiest AI side hustles, or click this video where I talk about earning money using Canva. Thank you again for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace, bye.